Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to unfavorite site in Duckduckgo application on Android device. Well, knowing how to unfavorite site in this application can be useful if you have accidentally favorited a site or if your preferences have changed. It allows you to manage your sub-site and ensure that your favorite list reflects your current interests and preferences. So how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Duckduckgo application. So in this page, you can see the favorite site in this main page. And then the way to remove it, you can long press on the option like this. After that, select remove from favorite option. Okay, and now the site is successfully removed from your favorite list. Well, that's the tutorial on how to unfavorite site in Duckduckgo application on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.